Hello and welcome to back my new blog once again. And this is Muwaj bin Masood speaking in front of you, as you can see. So right now I am staying at a new place. Right now I'm staying at a Goria Degree College at Goria Thakurgaon. Because it is happening annual sports competition in my school. This is why right now I am in this field of this college. And as you can see, there are so many actually students and they are participating in lots of sports. Actually, after some minutes later, I will also participate in some actually. Some sports and please pray for me so that I can keep the first, second, and third. And as you can see, this is a huge field, and there are so many. All of the students and of my school are. Trying to participate, trying to better in this sports. Now, guys, my sister Maliha is very interested to tell you something. He will tell you something.
Hello, my dear guys. Assalamu alaikum. This is Maliha speaking in front of camera. Today, I am staying a college. This college name is Goa Degree College, and today I have come here because today is annual sports competition. Already, I have participated this competition because today is annual competition, but I didn't champion this competition. I am not expert any kind of sports competition, but it is I have worked hard until I didn't champion, but it is not fault. But I have to try more and more. Then I will be able to champion in my competition. And as you can see, guys, behind me, students, students of my school, they also come here to participate this competition. And I have come here this college, and it's my first time. After coming here, I feel very happy. It looks very nice and beautiful. And this is it for my giving opinion.
Okay, thanks, my sister Maliha, for giving me an opportunity. So, guys, right now we are enjoying a lot in this field. Already, we have actually met a lot of fun together. And as you see, this is side there is a huge actually building. Not only here, but also over there. There are so many buildings, beautiful buildings. Actually, this is also my first time, as well as my sister Maliha. And there are so many shops where we can actually eat so many things, actually fast food, and it is very not so good and not so harmful for our health. I think I should not or make this video so long so that and I can lost my actually competition sport. As you can see over there, so many people may crowd because there is some students are participating actually games, and so this is why they made a crowd over there. As you can see, guys, who will keep the first, second, and third? Our teacher, honorable teacher, and managing committee will give them some actually prize as their our hard work. I think please pray for me so that I can achieve the first, second, or third, so that I can show you one more special thing because of you guys. So that's it for today. Hope that you enjoyed our blog very much, and subscribe our YouTube channel, follow our Facebook page to get more interesting vlog and video like this. I hope that you enjoyed today's video very much, and today is very special day for all of us and all of the students of this school. Oh, and actually, I haven't participated in any sports and game because it didn't happen, but but soon it will happen, and I will try to keep fast second and third. Please pray for me that I can and bring a prize just for you guys. So that's it for today. See you later on a new video or new interesting video, new topic. Till then, take care of yourself and pray for us. As also pray for all of the students of this school and also the honorable teacher and managing committee's member. Assalamualaikum and Adam, have a good day.
Bye.